Hey guys, this is Alexander from SHYSKY Tech. This is our micro brushless DC water pressure pump DC50F-12110S model. Voltage DC 12 watts. The max height 11 meters. Max flow rate 1300 liters per hour, and the power consumption 54 watts. This pump is both outlet and inlet being half-inch threaded ports with external diameter about 2 centimeters. This is outlet and the other is inlet. Yeah, this. And here is the control box. Control box part of this pump. It is brain part. Here is power cord, DC head power with DC 12 watts DC power supply.